interviewing for the position, the West fertilizer plant explosion happened about 15 miles from campus. It really hit our community, hit their community hard. And I learned that Allstate had one of the first catastrophe response teams down on the ground, was helping to service the people of West, not only just their customers, but everybody in the community, really going there to help out. And whenever I heard that, I learned that it's not just about selling policies, it's not just about making a premium, it really boils down to the people and really helping people get back on their feet.
Well, I started out as a tanker on an M1 Abrams tank. Also went into recruiting, and so I got to see a lot of the sales side of it. And so going through that part of it with the sales, I started looking at the insurance, but after taking my first class, the risk management really stood out to me, and I realized that I had probably a lot more to offer on this side of it.
I think really building relationships such as with travelers, with professors on campus to entice students to just take that initial course and get the interest in all the various areas with insurance that they can be applicable to get them their foot in the door, because once I see the students get the foot in the door, it's really hard for them to leave.
So I just kind of fell into it just like everybody else does, right? Went to school, didn't really know what I was going to do, took an insurance class, enjoyed it, did really well. Spoke to my professor, Deborah Richardson, kind of gave me the ins and outs of insurance and the opportunities, things like that. So I said, why not? It sounds like a great opportunity for me. And then I decided to change my major and took on an internship, and here I am now.
Before I started my major and before I really even knew about the insurance industry, I just kind of thought it was like a basic, like you sell insurance, you're your basic State Farm agent, which is a great job opportunity, but that's kind of the extent that I knew about it, just personal insurance, and I didn't realize that, every single business needs insurance.
Definitely go for it. Go for it. You shouldn't hold back at all. It's a great industry, and definitely network and meet a lot of people, and there's a lot of opportunities if you do that.
If you decide insurance is something that you're interested in, get involved and meet people, and the more you can do, the earlier, the more people you can meet, I think is really going to benefit younger students.
I think the most exciting thing is the unknown. There's so many different opportunities for young students looking to pursue a career in the insurance industry, and the opportunities seem to be endless. And I think that's something that a lot of students don't necessarily know, which can be a little bit frightening, but it can be very exciting as well.
Anything you want to do in this industry, you can do. I know before I was a risk management and insurance major, I did some marketing, I was entrepreneurial major, business management, and I found that you can do all of those things in the insurance industry. So I think that, anything you want to do, if you want to be in a marketing role, an underwriting role, an analytical role, the insurance industry has that.
Here at State Farm, we're currently expanding our internship program beyond the 200 interns that we brought on last year. And at our City Line location here in Richardson, we're currently hiring both part-time as well as full-time employees. We'll eventually staff about 8,000 employees at that location.
I think they're surprised not only about the number of jobs that there are, but also how varied the opportunities are, because they just think of claims and maybe underwriting and definitely selling insurance, but they don't think about HR and IT and finance and accounting and how specialized that is in the insurance industry.
Yeah, there's a lot of opportunities to make a lot of money in this business, but what we're looking for is people that want more than just a cap. We're looking for someone that's looking for unlimited potential. And there's a lot of money to be made in this business, and it's an unkept secret.
There are thousands of insurance agents in Texas, and they make direct contact with consumers on a daily basis.
Being an insurance agent, you have direct control over the amount of money that you make.
Yep, and this is the only career that I know of that it literally compensates you for how hard you work.
There are even more jobs available at insurance companies, and the opportunities are endless.
You look at just where the insurance industry is going and how it's evolving. You have a more tenured workforce, so you know that there's going to be opportunities that come up. And plus, it's the compensation, the benefits that you get with a big corporation, you can't beat it.
There's so many possibilities in the insurance industry, and that people need to be exposed to that. I know personally I wasn't exposed to my junior year and absolutely regret that. I wish I would have known as a freshman all the different things there was to do, and there's so many sides of it.
There are so many jobs available. It's not all about selling insurance. It's about marketing, corporate relations, looking at the economics of insurance, the market, analyzing where you can be profitable. There's money there, and it's a big industry, and there's plenty of jobs.
I've been teaching risk management and insurance for 20 years, and career opportunities have always been excellent in this field, but there's never been a better time than right now to get into this profession.